Every Wednesday, Florida 24 will bring you the latest tips and tricks on how you can stay healthy. We are speaking with health experts across the state to discuss some of the most important wellness topics each week. This week, we're talking about mental health. I sat down with psychiatrist Dr. Jeckell from Broward Health about how to shake off those post-holiday blues.
What are some of the most common challenges that people deal with regarding mental health during the holidays?
Yeah, it can be a stressful time of year. People who don't have any history of any mental health struggles, something like 40% of them will find the holiday season more stressful. They might experience depression, anxiety, those kinds of things. People who already have a mental health struggle, something like 60% of them feel heightened levels of their condition. It makes sense. It can be a stressful time of year. You've got to go to gatherings and travel. And for people living in further northern climates, the days are shorter and it can be a little bit dreary. Some things that I run across a lot are people maybe have had a loss in the past year. Maybe there's somebody that you would ordinarily celebrate with who's no longer around, and that can be really hard, especially when you're expected to go to these gatherings and be cheerful and happy. I tell people quality over quantity. So if you're going to do a lot of holiday gatherings, maybe just focus on one or two that really mean a lot to you, that you're able to celebrate with the people that are really important to you. You shouldn't feel obliged to go to a gathering if it's going to take away from you more than it gives.
As we look into the new year, especially you're talking about celebrating, there's always a big emphasis on setting resolutions for yourself. And if someone does want to work on their mental health in the new year, what advice do you have for them?
Yeah, honestly, I would say don't wait for the new year to prioritize your mental health. What we really know is that struggles with mental health and mental illness are really common. So the last thing that you should feel is that you're the only person struggling in the way that you're struggling.
If someone is struggling from the holiday blues, what does that mean?
Yeah, so the post-holiday blues is what we kind of see. It's like the crash after the holidays. So I think I was starting to see Christmas decorations showing up in stores in October. So like for 2.5 months, we've been building and building and building. And then Christmas hits, New Year's hits, and then boom, your calendar's empty for a while. There's nothing to really look forward to. All the decorations go down. It's a little bit of a crash. So what I tell people to do is find something that's like emotionally nourishing for you to do after the holidays. We get a lot of presents and gifts. Go through your house, see what you can donate, see where you can volunteer, see what kind of charities you can donate to. Maybe if we see people after a wedding will have like a little bit of a post-wedding blues, but they've got the honeymoon to look forward to. Make yourself like a post-holiday honeymoon. Plan something for like end of January, early February, something to look forward to, a get-together, a gathering, a trip, something like that.
For more information on behavioral health services, visit browardhealth.org.